So, if you like to see how I put all this together, it was a lot of fun. These are the parts left over. Stick around to the end and you will see exactly how I did that. Thanks a lot. Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing the legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP Pack 24. So as you can see, like usual, we are doing our packs in 4. And this is 91, 92, 93 and 94. We are getting very close to the finish. And you can see that's quite a big pack. And let's rip this open. That is metal, quite heavy. So that's the parts. Let's just push this to the side for now. And let's reveal our magazine and exactly what we need to do. I think that's the straightest magazine I had so far. Usually all my magazines are all squashed up or probably in the storage. So the previous part, what we had, we just attaching. Oh, and we are installing it to our ROBOCOP. So that's excellent. Goodness me. Okay, so let's get on with that. So we have these two parts, and this is from our previous pack. And the easiest way is just line this up. And we have now 3 screws that we need to put in. So we need to get these screws in place now. They are EM. So I'm gonna get there. Let's go for this further one. So as usual, I get 1 in and then I'm gonna follow 2 more. So that's all 3 now in place. And what we need to do is bring over our ROBOCOP. Okay, we have our ROBOCOP, which I absolutely adore. I think he looks great. So the part we just made in this direction, I did do a test fit and I found I had to slightly sand off this because it was hitting that button too tight. So if yours is doing that, just sand it slightly, not a lot at all, just a little bit until you stop hitting onto that button. So let's get this in place. You probably will hear him talk while I get this in its correct location. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4 location pins, and we need to get this as close as possible. So I think I have it, but we will see. So with that, we need some screws now, and those are EP screws. So I'm going to get this one in first. So that is the last screw. He is pretty well put together now. So that is the end of this issue. Really coming on along. So let's get him out the way and bring over the next issue. This is issue 92. And oh my goodness. Nope. We need to cut this open. There we go. And goodness me. This looks like the battery covers, so probably, well, let's see if it's going to be a short issue. That's cool. Wow. And we're doing that, a spring, and the cover will go on. Excellent. And screw that on. So let's put this on. So first thing, we need to put this screw through here and think we need to screw that in. There we go. And then the spring. And then it has this washer that goes somehow over this screw. It's there. Because I did receive 2 washers. I think they're the same. So there we go. They're very tight. So I'm just gonna get this screwed in slightly. That's to the thread. There we go. And now we need our ROBOCOP back. So he's back. Let me see which way this goes. I believe this will go in this direction. So this should just go like that. And let's see if this screws in. And that is now screwed in place and looks great. So that is it for this issue. So let's move him out the way again and move on to the next one. This is issue 93, and we did manage to open that up. That is plastic, and that is how it looks. I do my builds according to the magazines, the layout, and I can jump ahead, put everything together and miss this bit, but I do it like I guess everyone else would do it. Follow the instructions part by part. So as you can see, this will be a cover that goes there. So let's do the same as it shows in the instructions. So let's get on with it. Like I said, I could bring the ROBOCOP up and just do it all in one, but the instructions shows us, like you would do it, to plug this in, so you can see a bigger and a smaller peg, and we just need to line that up and that in just like that. Excellent, looks great. So let's get over our ROBOCOP. So here's our ROBOCOP again, and in this direction I believe there is magnets just there, you could see, and that should just go in place. It's a bit of over plastic there. Okay, I guess that's how it goes. It's easier access to the battery cover, that's why they did it that way. Bit of a gap there. Not too happy about that, to tell you the truth. I could probably put a bit of double-sided tape to keep that down. Also there. Or something to do. And that is the end of this issue. So let's move on. So this is issue 94. And we do have the other side. So let's see how that goes. But that's good. At least we have a completed back section done. And take a look what we need to do. And it's telling us to put that on first. Okay. And that's it. So, okay. So let's see how that goes. So I am bringing over our ROBOCOP. And with the plate, with the magnet, will go just there. So that does go just like that, as you've seen. So that makes the cover. And these two parts are left over to carry on to the next pack. So with that, that brings us to the end of this issue and also pack. And if you could do me a massive favor, if you could hit that subscribe button and thumbs up, that will push out our video a lot more to other viewers. And once again, thanks a lot for watching, and look forward to seeing you all next time. That's goodbye for now.